Daisy blew apart. For this POS, still D series. Oh, found the problem. Screw blew out. Pause. Good thing we got 3 extras over here. Found a screw that works for it.
Now put it all back together. And hopefully she fires up.
Good thing we have 4 of the dizzies right here.
Spare dizzies for everywhere.
Especially for all the projects we have.
Let's walk over the car. Installing distributor wires. Wires go in. Plug them in. Small one goes there. Big one goes into that big one. There's 3 bolts on it. One right here. One down here on the left. And one down here on the right.
One thing I hate about these, they're dual point. I hate dual point. We either might leave the D series or throw a mini swap on it, or just throw it to B series and turbo it like we're doing with the other wagon we have. Alright, well here it starts. Let's see. Yeah, it started right up. Since that screw blew out of this thing. Nice little car. 5-speed.
$19.90 EF wago.
Yeah, show them the turbo wagon we got.